Tinasung Aitor Mater Otini Outla Town Hall Sing celebrate Kaitongo Pilano Ang Hambay Rinay Chini Je Oter no Saktaray Charinay Chini Aitor Mater ni Executive Committee Te China Odago Paimal Hachini Hasteni Borangunang China Agni ex-MP Jotono Saimano Chini Jendra Chaudhary Te China Orote Pandaw Paimal Hachini Hasteni Chini MLA Chini Borangunang Bishopudya Borma Teiba Ani Paiple Hambai goes to for a peace day with the pioneers of this Aitorma festival and Teiba Chini editor Chini Payung Katuksa Binu Deborma Teiboni staff Teo Kamama Payman Hoga Chini society ni bisingo Chini intellectual group and especially my young student and my youth communities. Since Saimano Aitor Mater Taglay by 7 bochor ka. It has already 7 years passed. Since its existence 2013 ang bukrot sa member tungmani Aitorma magazine na susfina ba gichin kacha prathom bar ching kaisa community tongara bang tong tini sing nukha teruk tini Aitorma nini agoi tongo Aitorma main uddesya ong khatini socio economic and cultural development. And I believe most of the students, most of the audience, they may not be aware of the meaning of Aitorma. Aitorma has got significant. Most students may not know what is meant by Aitorma. Aitorma is the star, pole star. Aitorma chunga kaisa dik nidar khayo. See, one earlier time, Chini Borok, Jahas by Jentango. John Jahas by Kalijan Smutu Kutatan Bro. Chini Kuno, Punkure, Kunukure. Bora Aitorma Nai. Pole star. Who give the direction. Sobje, Atupri Misi Afri Kotor, Kutsung. Oh, Aitorma Nai, Dik Nirakai. Where to go? Zahas Tangai to understand. Zahas by Tangai, Kamakan Kalai. Chiang and Kalebro, Aitorma Naharo. Who is always located in North Pole. Uturabo, North Tong. Aitorma Tong Hamane, but north side. Aitorma Yagar Debrangai, south west east. Indian way, Aitorma, Pole Stanabui, Dik Nina Khayo. The same thing, Aitorma means to follow. It become Aitorma magazine, so one ago, the Chini Boroni Bisigo, Chini Somasi Bisigo, Kasha Motini Chati, the light of the society. Boribagui, so one ago, Aitorma is the meaning significant, is very important. Jekono bumung jeng panan sekang, sing benene meaning sing sinanam. That is significant of the Aitorma. Sing tini, sobjang tini aro angkat ontukka, the recipient of the award, who have received the award through Aitorma organization. Sing saima katini bisigo kamama hidden talent. Earlier we didn't have this kind of platform. In Tripura we have a lot of hidden talent in the villages, in the periphery of our country. Since Saimia, we see a Latugia. To the Aitorma, Jogonte Bro, do you have terror Changani Betsigo? Bro, Para Tangai, Bonaitogo, searching the hidden talent of among our communities. Chini writers, singers, dancers, there are different talent we have in our society. Bonatu, Naitu Karim. Boni bagai ang pai playa ang hambai marago cini aitor mana je team cini Father PJ plus cini Binur boni team no ani pai playa ani khakchang ma ta hambai ya Sing saimano cini bararo we have lot of talent but I am again very serious sing masanani rasamani sing balai kerung we do not need to learn we need to practice we have a by born we have a talent sing we have sarigama sing dance classes in Tanya but still then our people have a good dancers good singer why it's a talent no but again likewise ang sinamusugo sing masalah kereng sanamna kereng likewise in our studies in our activities, our work, performance, not only dance, not only sing, but otherwise, sing, study was in Mahamai. Therefore, I request my young generation, young student, then side by side, study was in, what else knows the Mahamai? Why not? We can. We have talent. But likewise, in your performance, in your studies, your careers, you have to be good in studies, serious in studies. Today, even I have been in the Kumlung Loy Auditorium. There are around more than 5,500 students. I'm distributing the merit award. But I'm sorry to say, there are very few students who got award. Why? There are a lot of good singers, a lot of good dancers, but in studies, there are very few who achieve 60 to 70%, 80%, very, very few. Why? And recently, even here, last week we have distributed merit award among the ST students. Very few. Therefore, orang selalu Sengcini masamane zamane dengan mana hai, cini study was makai nai, mana nai. That we are missing that kind of that ideas. Cini borok asole, I'm now wondering, most of the audience they're waiting to see dance, to see the singing. Now cini next session will come. I told man iba cini contest final. Miss I told ma Mr. I told ma you are waiting. You have already lost the patient, I know. Because we are talking here and there. But one thing you remember, good listeners become good students. Anybody who listened attentively, seriously, he or she will become successful. Good listeners become good students. But serious to mention, serious to say, our people have lost patience to listen to the seniors, to the elders. This is the reason behind why our students did not perform well in their studies. Everything is not easy. There's no any shortcut way. We have to work hard. We have to struggle life. I remember Sachin Tendulkar and Dilip Khainai, when he was asked, Sachin Tendulkar, who is your role model among the cricketers? And even he was asked why he did not pass even class 12. Sachin Tendulkar did not even pass class 12. And he was asked with interview, he was asked, who is your role model in the cricket? He says, I have nobody. There's nobody role model in my life, you see. I'm the role model. Boni bagai, cini bisingo, cini sikar ni bisingo, sing semai matang nai, cini MLA sab sai tangka, cini bisingo, cini youth generation ro, cini nugo cini bisu cini parago, kamang parago cini guri cini sai mana, cini drug ni bagai, cini nesa, cini balai kena cini borok lomui tu. A lot of affected in drug addict in our society. Why? Tamil bagai. for whom we're working day and night. Our ministers, our MLA, our officers working very hard for the upliftment of society. Our sisters, fathers, missionaries, for whom we're working, for whom we're sacrificing, for you people only. Tini siklaran ni bagai, tini satran ni bagai jeng sampai tu. Kintu jeng luka, tini siklaro lama korosa. Bukan ni kau naya, master ni kau naya, garden ni kau naya. Boni mo takbo karo tini, jeng balai kini manson dorkar. Omai platform ang luka tini, Aitorma society. Aitorma platform madhome jeng kamang mas sinyatong tini. Any society to develop, there are 4 things we require. There is political leaders, for example. There's one pillar who involved in politics. Society develop in politics. There should be leaders. There should be good politicians to develop society. Second, there should be businessmen. Cini businessman tu mana? Cini businessman kaham tu mana? Cini keren. Cini employee, bureaucrat. Cini tu mana? Sufficient employee, sufficient bureaucrat in our society. Cini keren. And the most important thing, media, mass media, electronic media. Cini keren. Then how can you say the our society will go ahead? But you think the background? Cini somaso, cini writer kere, podcast film kere, media kere, very rare, very few, negligible. This is intention why Aitorma is established to encourage the people. Cuma encourage kena bagai, writer kena bagai media kena bagai, dan journalism kena bagai. It's part of our pillar. Jekunu somas, jekunu dofa, kahai dengan kusukai cina kacini media nanggo. You one of the pillar for society. Cini kiri, very missing. Cini missing of businessmen. Cini kiri, we're lacking from behind, very much. Businessmen cini kiri. Somehow we have political leaders. Bad or good doesn't matter. We have leaders. We have sufficient leaders. And somehow we have a bureaucrat, employee. We have some, not maybe more, but there is something. These two were almost okay. But we don't have media. We don't have businessmen. Boni bagai, sejak kau sama hendak nanggai, oh jenis nanggo, jeng realize kena nanggo, jeng media pernah nanggo, journalism pernah nanggo jeng, businessman kena nanggo jeng. Then only the society will grow, society will develop in their future. Boni bagai, ang saya mana doktor jenis siklarap, nasi ngotong jenis program lainnya bagai, kintu jeng ang balai kacang katini, ang saya mana jenis Aitorma, they're doing lot of some kam khai tong boro, they're performing well for the society. Sing bono help ma khaine, sing tebe encourage ma khaine chini bisingo, chini cartoon to yi, chini writing to yi sina khaine sing development. Obono ang nai ko, ang balai ken thai no he hambai maro, te jotor audience the phai no, ang jotor hambai maro, sing Aitorma sing sai ma khaine, chini well wishers, chini writers, chini singers, everybody, even political leaders, employee, everybody should join hand together to help them. Bori bagai ang haina hebelai hambai, tini oro sing kamang macin boro sing tahu talent nai ne, borni program sing nai ne, awan bagai haina hai. Aitorma society no Aitorma rona ang hambai rogi, ang boro hambai tu mereka.
Haina hai.